Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to remove search history on YouTube in iPhone. Start by opening the YouTube app on your iPhone. Once the app is open, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you are signed in, you will see your profile picture or initials. Tap on that icon to open your account menu. From the account menu, tap on the option labeled Settings. In the Settings menu, look for an option called History and Privacy and tap on it. This is where you can manage your activity on YouTube. Inside the Manage All History section, to remove your search history, tap on it. You will see multiple options. Click Delete button, then tap on Delete All. A confirmation pop-up will appear. If you also want to clear your watch history, you can tap Clear Watch History in the same section and follow the same steps. Additionally, you will see an option to pause search and watch history. Enabling these settings will prevent YouTube from saving your future searches or videos watched while logged into your account. That's it. That's how you can solve the How to Remove Search History on YouTube in iPhone problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.